What if you could run your entire software development company with one powerful tool? If you're juggling multiple projects and teams, this setup will streamline everything from client management to internal operations, making work not just easier but smarter. We've organized everything into 5 core workspaces: client delivery for project management, growth for business development, HR for team management, HQ for company operations, SOPs and templates for standardization. In the CRM folder, we've built a sophisticated lead management system that tracks every opportunity from first contact to closed deal. The leads move through a carefully designed pipeline. New leads enter the system. This ensures no opportunity is missed right from the start. Proposals get sent. Meetings are scheduled. Timely notifications make sure no meeting slips through the cracks. Estimates are delivered. Then negotiations happen. Key decision points are tracked to optimize deal conversion strategies. And finally, deals are either won or lost. Insights from every outcome are recorded to refine future processes. Now, what makes this powerful is our automation system. When a lead is won, they're automatically moved to our clients list. This creates a frictionless transition from prospect to project. Also, tasks are auto-archived when leads are not won. This keeps the workspace clutter-free and focused on current opportunities. Once leads convert to clients, our system ensures smooth onboarding and management by automatic template application for onboarding. Additionally, for our clients, we maintain clear stages: onboarding for new clients, pause for temporary holds. Paused projects are easily revived when clients are ready to proceed. Pass for completed projects. Historical data helps analyze performance and secure repeat business. To monitor all this activity, we've created a comprehensive CRM dashboard where data transforms into actionable insights. Some key metrics include active leads and clients in the pipeline, lead stages for both current and previous months, showing our pipeline health, a month-to-month comparison for the entire year, lead source distribution across different channels, deal values across different pipeline stages, client health and distribution. Tracking client satisfaction ensures long-term relationships and referrals. This dashboard gives us instant visibility and helps identify areas needing attention. This workspace design has helped our client by converting more leads into clients. The automation frees up time to focus on building relationships. Never miss a follow-up. Reminders and alerts ensure no potential client is left unattended. To track revenue effectively, detailed insights make financial forecasting and reporting effortless. A well-organized system reduces bottlenecks and accelerates growth. If you'd like a similar setup for your business, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.